Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be telling you the most important questions of physics that are expected in your board examination. Please solve 10 years. I think this is one of the most important things for your preparation. Please go with 10 years, solve them, solve the numericals portion, see the questions. You know the paper pattern, right? 80 marks in which 15 marks MCQs are there and 25 short questions. These are compulsory to be attempted. And then we have section B in which any 4 questions can be attempted. You can also attempt extra question if you get time, if the time is left. In case you attempt extra question, no marks will be deducted. Okay, and they will take the top 4 question marks. For example, you got 4 like 10 out of 10 in question 1, question 2, 5 out of 10, question 3, 6 out of 10, and so on. So they'll take the questions into consideration in which you have got the highest marks. Okay, see, for physics, I have an excellent ebook that has the most important questions along with the solutions given. So you can buy it from the link in the description box. I have covered the full syllabus in this, and I have another ebook that is of chemistry. Again, it has got all reactions, so you can revise it in one go. You can buy it from the link in the description. First, I'll tell you about the important numericals. I feel the numerical portion is neglected a lot, and that is the reason you score less in physics. Circuit question will be definitely asked, that is based on the resistance part, like parallel series. They'll give you this circuit, and you have to calculate the resistance, equivalent resistance, right? Then alpha, beta, gamma emission, they'll give you a with atomic number and mass number. You have to write it after beta emission. So what is the change in atomic number and mass number, then with gamma, and so on. Moment of force, the very first chapter, in which you are given a meter rod and you have to calculate the moment of force, right? Total clockwise moment is equal to total anti-clockwise moment. You are well aware about this. This question is asked every year. You can't leave this out. MA and VR of machine, right? Numerical on this. Then a question in which a lot of students are confused is calorimetry question, and this is based on the heat transfer, right? MC delta T, and so on. Q is equal to MC delta T, right? So you'll have to equate both sides and find out the answer. Calorimetry. And please make sure that you write the correct units. If you write the wrong unit, your marks will be deducted for the same. See questions on the ray diagrams. They'll give you a prism and you have to redraw and complete the path. Okay. Then diagrams on convex or concave lens. Right. They'll ask you if it is in at the focus, what is the image, what are the characteristics of that image. Then numerical based on this, very important. Focal length 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. For convex and concave lens, there is difference in u and v, so you have to um, make sure that you write the correct value. Then questions, center of gravity, the factors that affect it, and they may ask you where is the center of gravity of a ring. There is no mass in the center of a ring, then how is it how is the center of gravity possible in this case? So all these questions. Then yes, I left out this. See, learn all these formulas, they are very important. uh, Power chapter, in which they'll ask you v is given, I is given, t is given, and you have to find out the work. Okay, according to the values you have to find it out. Then we have a resonance question. Reasoning question are asked. Total internal reflection, the ray diagrams, erecting prism. All right. Loudness, pitch, and quality. They can ask you graphs based on it. Ohm's law and its graph. Right. Then live, neutral, and earth wire, the color coding as well. And please draw the diagram also, practice it. Then block and tackle system, again an important thing. Draw diagram, number of pulleys will be given, and you have to draw the block and tackle system for that. Then step up transformer plus the electromagnet. And yes, there is this step marking in numerical. 1 marks is for the formula. Okay, you have to write the formula. Then second is the procedure. You have to put in the values and so on. Then after you solve it, the answer plus the unit, 3 marker. And whenever you write your answers, if they give you definition, write the definition of calorimetry or equilibrium, right? You have to insert the specific keyword. Whenever examiner checks your notebook, he or she may emphasize more on the keyword you have mentioned. If that keyword is seen, for example, for water, it has high specific heat capacity. There are reasoning questions based on it. So I'm telling you examples. So specific heat capacity is the keyword there. And one question, factors affecting specific resistance. And please make sure to just learn all the formulas by heart. Board asks you basic formula based numericals, so you'll just have to put the values, and it is very easy, right? They'll not give you very difficult numericals. You don't have to brainstorm there. Try to be normal, okay? Do not act like it is going to be difficult. No, there will be no problem. Trust me, it is very easy. Just go by the past year papers, and you can also practice other school question papers, but I feel that only 1 or 2 days are left, so you should go with previous year questions only. I think that is all for the video. All the best for your examination, and my sister Molly will also be conducting live sessions on physics, so you can go to her channel. You can have a look there. She'll be conducting live session of full syllabus physics. All right, thank you for watching this video and have a good day. All the best for your 17th exam, I mean physics exam, that is on 17th.